Okay, today we're talking about controlling a garbage disposal with an air switch. So if you want a garbage disposal in your kitchen sink, one of the more common installations is like this. So you have a power cord that goes down to an outlet underneath the sink. And that top outlet is controlled by a switch up on the wall next to the kitchen sink. Remember, anytime you run your garbage disposal, you always want to run water at the same time. So you flip the switch on, the garbage disposal turns on. The problem with this design is if you don't already have a switched outlet underneath your sink, you're going to have to install a switch, run wire from the switch down to the outlet. But there's another solution. No wall switch required. Simple plug and play. So in this solution, you can see there is no wall switch, but we still have a garbage disposal underneath the kitchen sink here. So the way we activate the garbage disposal here is with an air switch. If you look closely underneath the sink, you can see the garbage disposal is plugged in this black switch box, and this switch box is plugged into the outlet and has this PVC tube that goes up underneath the countertop and protrudes up through the countertop to the push button air switch here. There's no electricity in this switch. It's just a little air switch. So it makes it a lot safer because you can touch it with wet hands and not get electrocuted. So when you push on that switch, it pushes a little slug of air down through the tube, activates a little diaphragm inside the switch box, garbage disposal turns on. Push it again, garbage disposal turns off. This is great for kitchen islands or for retrofits like this, where you don't already have a switched outlet. You can just plug it into that regular outlet underneath the sink, and you're good to go. You can buy these at your local big box store or online. They range anywhere from $40 to $100, depending on what finish you choose for the button and what brand you choose. I hope you find this helpful. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.